Who's crazy? Who's crazy? It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard, Blue. February 2nd, 2011. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on. Come on. Who's a crazy dog? Blue. Over here. Blue dog. Come here. Blue. Blue. Come. Come. Go on. Go on. Go on. That's how deep the snow is. Up to his chest. Come on, Blue. Blue. Blue duck. Blue. Blue duck. Blue. Come on. Come on. Come on. I think he's like, nah, forget it. Yeah, throw it over here. Nice. All right, don't break the door. Drop it. Blue, come. Blue, come. Blue, come here. Drop it. Drop it. He's like, I know you're going to throw it in a deep snowbank. No. Ready, Blue? Go get it. Blue. Blue. Oh no. You got it. Shake, shake, shake. Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Ready, Blue? Are you ready? Go get it, Blue. You can do it. You can do it, Blue dog. You can do it. Yeah, Blue dog. Good boy. Okay. Yeah. Who's in the snowbank? Who's in the snowbank? You are. Oh, you're working so hard. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's ready to go in, I think? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Someone's ready to go in. Snow apocalypse, or whatever they're calling it. 2011. Giada's first blizzard.